Alright, so I'm at Savi's. It's after park hours. I picked my lightsaber and I'm going to be building it shortly. I am super stoked. Been looking forward to doing this since Galaxy's Edge started.
Welcome! Thank you for finding your way to us. Now I know everything in here, frankly, is a lot to take in, but to us, it is everything. Now I see you've met my fellow gatherers. Good, very good. I am called Kenbay. Now to your eyes, this might look like a room filled with old junk, so allow me to clarify. Some of it's new junk. We humbly call ourselves the Gatherers because we search the galaxy for ancient relics, forgotten places, abandoned outposts, battle-ravaged planets. And what we find, we bring here. So where a stormtrooper might see worthless clutter, those who know see priceless history. And in these times, preserving our past may just ensure a future. Yes?
Yes.
Yes. Now, my friends, by this point, I'm assuming you're familiar with the stories of Luke Skywalker. We hear there is another. A new Jedi. Who knows her name? Rey. Yes. And what Rey is leading is the spark of hope we have all been waiting for. And that, my friends, is why you are here tonight, to look ahead to the future and to build this. A lightsaber. Now, the lightsaber has been wielded by some of our greatest heroes and our darkest enemies. It is elegant, enigmatic. To build a lightsaber is an art. Now, the saber is a reflection of the builder, with the force flowing between them. But tonight, you will feel that connection. Now, not babbling, let's get busy. We start with perhaps the most important aspect of the lightsaber. The Kyber Crystal, able to focus the energy of the Force to magnify it. Now, some say that the Kyber Crystal is the heart of the lightsaber. The color of the crystal reveals the color of the blade. Now, this you may already know from some of the great Jedi in our history. A blue crystal, such as the one wielded by the great Master Obi-Wan Kenobi, and his apprentice, Anakin Skywalker, and, of course, Rey. Green, the crystal that called to Qui-Gon Jinn, Ahsoka Tano, Master Yoda himself, and Luke Skywalker. The violet crystal, rare and beautiful, like the blade wielded by Mace Windu. Red. There are some who call this the color of power and ambition. The crystal of Darth Maul, Asajj Ventress, Darth Vader, and now Kylo Ren. But these are the stories of the past, and we are here for you, our future. You will now choose your Kyber crystals. My friends, close your eyes. What color do you see in your mind? Choose your crystal, and know that it is equally likely that your crystal is choosing you. Now, open your eyes and take your crystal. Well done. Well done indeed. You will now join that crystal to the aspects of lightsaber design that you chose moments ago on the other side of the workshop door. One important detail, listen carefully. Make sure the crystal is resting on the tiny green tray at the top left of your building station. Good, very good. Now you will start work on your hilt. This is the foundation of your lightsaber. Your center of control. And the thing that keeps your hands from disintegrating. Now in these boxes of the aspect you've already set, you'll find the chest, activation plates, grid, emitter, and pommel cap. Now remember, building a lightsaber is a very personal journey. Just as you've selected your crystal, you will now choose each and all aspects of design that make your saber unique. Should you have questions or if you face difficulty, the gatherers are here to help, and all you need to do is simply ask. Now, let's build.
I find that it's easier to place one on the wall than perfect, and are you folks able to spin yours? Would you just ask that you keep this station shared clear? But you're more than welcome to help me just like that, and you don't need to push that one, you can just spin it. Thank you.
If you want to, yeah, come on and feel fun.
Congratulations.
Thank you.
Well done. Well done indeed. We've completed our hills. Now, my friends, take a deep breath and move to the far walls of the chamber. Gatherers, you know what to do. Take over. The gatherers are now stabilizing your chosen crystals within these completed hills for their very first activation. This is the one thing you don't do coming out of the starting gate, because you must be trained. But I promise you, my friends, your time is coming. Now, we move forward to the final aspect of our build.
Well done. Chosen not much with skill you have. Chosen with heart. When joined they are much more they will become. For you, it is time.
Master Yoda, it is indeed time to take that first step. We've reached the final stage. The bond between Saber and Builder is about to be forged. In a moment, you will come forward. Place your hands upon the hilt of your completed lightsaber. When I give the word, you will, for the first time, activate your blades. Are you ready?
Yes.
Come forward, and on my mark, activate. Raise your saber. You have built a lightsaber. Like the Jedi and the Sith that have come before you, you too can change the galaxy. Remember, it only takes a spark. Now, my friends, if you would be kind enough to momentarily deactivate and lower your blade.
Complete your lightsaber is. Light your path, it can. Choose your path, only you can. May the Force be with you.
Thank you, Master Yoda. My friends, in your hands, you hold remarkable power. And remarkable power shouldn't be dropped on the floor. In order to preserve what you have so beautifully built, we are pleased and we are honored to grant you a saber sheath as you depart. Now our time together is at an end, but your journey is just beginning. Time to make your mark on the galaxy, and remember you are as unique and as extraordinary as the blade you forged. And maybe next time we'll tell you a story. Raise your saber! You are honored to build it. My friends with the violet blade, if you would lead the way from the chamber, followed by these three.